Okay, so this is our this topic is solving inequality. First of all, two types of problem I will teach you here. One is simple, something is given numerator upon denominator, and that we have to solve greater than equals to 0. First pattern that you are learning. Okay. Second pattern, simple numerator is there and that numerator is greater than 0. And third pattern, maybe somewhere you will find a question related with 1 by something in denominator greater than equals to 0. Not only greater than, at place of this greater than sign, less than sign can also come. At place of greater than, less than, equals to, anything can come. Okay na? So not only greater than equals to. This sign can also, at place of this, someone can give you less than equals to also. At place of this, someone can give you less than equals to. All two signs are possible. So see the format. What is observation here? First, inequality sign is there given. Equals to is not there. Here also equals to is not there. Here also equals to is not there. ठीक है ना? Inequality means greater than, less than. Okay, and what we say? This all we say in equation. Suppose I write x plus 2 is equals to 0. If I write x plus 2 is equals to 0, what is this? Equation. But same thing if I write x plus 2 greater than 0, what is this? Inequation. Inequation. Okay na? So we are going to learn how to solve inequation. Okay. So first of all, I will teach you simply numerator, this wala format. It means nothing will be there in denominator. In denominator, simple 1 will be there. Like one question if I will take, solve. A part I am taking here. X plus 2 greater than 0. So which format is this? This is format 1, 2 or 3? 2. Suppose I am taking B part. One more. 1 upon x minus 3 less than 0. Which format is this? Sudarshan, which format is this? First, second or third? Third format. Sit down. If I take x plus 2 upon x plus 3 less than equals to 0. Which format is this? First, very good. Okay. Now, all three question if you want to solve, understanding is same. Understanding is same. No different understanding. Whatever understanding I will apply here, same understanding I will apply here, same understanding I will apply here. But all three formats are different. All three format are different, but solving part is same. Okay na? Like see, first of all, I am going to explain you all these three things. What is meaning of this? So let me write one equation first. One equation I am writing here, x minus 3 is equals to 0. Let me explain this. I know you can find value of x there. But let me explain that first. See, here it is saying left side one number is there and right side one number is there. Both number are equal. Okay. Now on left hand side number, on right side number, we know right side number directly looking that is 0. It means this left side number is also 0. Yes or no? But it is not looking like 0. It is looking like x minus 3. But that side it is exactly looking that is 0. Yes or no? Now from here question will arise. Which number I put at place of x so that this also start looking like exact what is there that side. Understood na? So like put 2. 2 minus 3. Minus 1. left is minus 1, right is 0. Do you think equals to is correct here? No, equals to will be correct when both side things are same. Yes or no? Now just put 0. 0 minus 3. Minus 3 is equals to 0. Is it correct? No. Now put x3. 3 minus 3. 0. So left side, whatever it is forming, same thing is on right side. Okay, so simple question is, at place of x, which number I put so that this number becomes equals to 0. That is the basic understanding of that equation. Okay, now let's come to this equation. Here it is saying, at place of x, which number I put so that this whole thing becomes greater than 0. Greater than 0 means, what is English meaning of greater than 0? Positive. Okay, na? Like put minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 3 greater than 0. Is it correct? So minus 5 is not going to be the answer. Put 0. 0 plus 2. 2. 2 greater than 0 is correct. It means at place of x, 0 is acceptable here. At place of x, 0 is acceptable. Similarly, at place of x, 1 is acceptable or not? Acceptable. So same thing question is there. At place of x, what are the number acceptable for this inequation? At place of x, what are the number acceptable for this inequation? At place of x, what are the number this inequation? Yes or no? So here concept is same. How we'll do that part is same. And that part is very easy to write down these all things. Okay. See, all three, not all three question. Any inequation, process of thinking is same. Okay, na? See, what is the process of thinking? Can I start? Tell me which question you want me to do first. I know third number you will tell me. Very good. Let's start with third number. And I also wanted to do third number only. First of all, if I want to solve an inequality, I will make sure that one side is 0. One side 0 is present. You can see one side 0 is present or not. Second thing, I will make sure all things are written in combined form. Combined form means, suppose I am giving you question. Achha, what is meaning of combined form? Na? That I will tell you in next example. Another side is combined. कहाँ गया? Another side is combined. Another side is combined means while one side it should be 0 and other side all terms should look only 1. It should not be in partition part. It should not be in partition part. If it is in partition part, we cannot solve. So you can see here this question, all is looking 1. Because all has only one calculation, division. Yes, na? There should be no partition in that term. If partition is there, combine them and make it 1. Always remember, these two are the most important thing. And these two thinking every inequation. Okay, na? Okay. You understood the meaning? Another side is combined, and I will give you more details on the second line when I will take next example. Now, if this both thing is there, simply draw a number line. Okay, write down this side minus infinity, write down that side plus infinity. Next step. Next step, simply what you have to do, you have to solve numerator is equals to 0 and denominator is equals to 0. And find x, what is unknown. Okay, and put that number on this number line. So, Ibrahim, x plus 2 is equals to 0. Here I am saying numerator 0 equals to 0. What is numerator x plus 2? So if I write x plus 2 is equals to 0, what will be x? So I am asking Ibrahim, minus 2. So we got one number from numerator minus 2. Diksha. X plus 3 is equals to 0. What will be that number? Minus 3. So we got two number. One from numerator, one from denominator. What are those number? Minus 2 and minus 3. And both number I will put in increasing order. Which number is lesser, minus 2 or minus 3? Minus 3. And next is minus 2. Now you can see our number line divided into three regions. One region this, one region this, and one region this. Yes? Now take any one number between minus 2 to infinity. Tell me. Minus 2 to infinity. Tell me any number. You say. 1. Put 1 in this. Tell me 1 plus 2. 1 plus 3. 3 by 4. Positive or negative? So put their positive sign. Now, Ibrahim, tell me one number between minus 3 to minus 2. बैठो खड़े हो जाओ खड़े हो. I asked from him or you. Then why you said? I did not say. खड़े हो. I will make you sit here and you will tell to me. Tell me one number between minus 3 to minus 2. Tell directly. 4. 4 is here. Minus 2 to infinity. 4 will lie there, not here. 5. 5 also will write there. Minus 3 to minus 2 I am saying. 1 will also go that side. Minus 2 point anything. Okay, na? Minus 2 point anything. You will ask that doubt after the class. You will come with that doubt, okay? I will explain you because these all things are required. Else you will do the mistake and I will scold you again. Okay? So better you learn today. So minus 2.1. Put minus 2.1 plus 2. Minus 0.1. Negative number you will get. Minus 2.1 plus 2. Negative number will get. And minus 2.1 plus 3. Positive you will get or negative you will get? Positive. So numerator is negative, denominator is positive. Tell me, negative upon positive, what you will get? negative number, if we'll divide by positive number, which number you will get, positive or negative? Negative. It means sign will come negative there. So simply you have to find sign. You don't have to find exact value. Okay. Next, tell me any number between minus infinity to minus 3. Yes, you say. Minus 5. Very good. Minus 5 plus 2, negative or positive? Minus 5 plus 2, negative or positive? Minus 5 plus 3, negative or positive? Acha, negative number divided by negative number, what you will get? So this side will put positive. So we have checked 3 region. First region, second region, third region. Now only 2 number is left. One minus 2 is left, minus 3 is left. Rest all number is checked. Okay. Now equals to sign is there. Equals to sign is there. So numerator root will be part of answer. If equals to sign is not there, numerator root is not part of answer. And always remember, denominator root never part of answer. Denominator root never part of answer. Denominator root never part of answer. So tell me, which root is denominator root here? Minus 3. बुद्धि लगा के तो देखो पहले. What is root of numerator? Minus 3. Why you are saying plus 3? So this minus 3 will be open bracket. Minus 3 is not going to be a part of answer. But here equals to sign is there. So numerator root will be part of answer. What is root of numerator? Minus 2. It means minus 2 will be dark circle. And you know, dark circle means close bracket, open circle means open bracket. Hollow circle means open bracket. Now tell me, what is the question here? Less than 0. What is question? This is less than 0. Tell me, less than 0 is positive or negative? Negative. So tell me, where is negative? This one. Minus 3 to minus 2. So answer will be minus 3 to minus 2. Now I have to put bracket. On minus 3, I will put open bracket. On minus 2, I will put close bracket. Answer. It means any number you will take between minus 3 to minus 2, this will give you always less than 0 or either equals to 0. Understood? And if you take any number between minus 2 to infinity, minus infinity to minus 3, this will give you positive value. And number between this to this will give you negative value. Understood? Everyone understood? Write down. No, don't write here. Next question again I will solve. The next question. First thing, what we'll see? One side is 0. One side is 0 or not? Second, another side should be combined and it should look 1. Tell me, this whole thing is looking 1 or not? Okay, very good. Second line is also correct. Now we have to solve numerator is equals to 0 and denominator equals to 0. So numerator, nothing is there. X term is not present. No need to solve. But tell me, x minus 3 is equals to 0. What will be x? Plus 3. We got this. Now after this, I will draw a number line. Solution is same as I told you, minus infinity, infinity. Here we have only one root. I will put plus 3 here. Now tell me any one number between 3 to infinity. 5. 5 minus 3. 1 by 2, positive or negative? Put that side positive. Minus infinity to 3. Tell me one number. Minus infinity to 3. Tell me one number, bacha. Minus 5. She is so scared that she is telling direct this side number. She is not going towards 3 also. Okay, very good. Minus 5. Now tell me, minus 5 minus 3, what will get? Minus 8. 1 is positive, minus 8 is negative. So total will be positive or negative? So this side it will come negative. Now what we have to check? What we have to check? Tell me. We have to check this 3 now. We also have to check border. Now tell me. Denominator root never part of answer means denominator root always hollow circle. So what is root of denominator here? 3. So 3 hollow circle will be there or not? I'll put 3 hollow circle. And now numerator no root is there. So no need to check. Okay. Now tell me, less than 0, what does it mean? Negative or positive? So where is negative here? Minus infinity to 3. So what will be answer? Minus infinity to 3 answer. Next, I am going to solve that part. First thing, one side should be 0. 0 is there or not? Yes or no? Very good. One side should be 0. 0 is there. Now, this side all should look 1. Is all looking 1? You can think, sir, all is looking 1, and you can also think, sir, all is not looking 1. You will say, sir, x plus 2, both is looking 2 na? No bracket. Put it inside one bracket. Now that will start looking 1. Yes or no? So whenever numerator part is there, that second pattern is there. Only numerator part is there. So second part will be always true. Second part will be always true. No need to check second part. Second part you will check in first format and last format. Okay. So now this whole thing I will make under one bracket. Now tell me, this is looking 1 or not? So second part also done. Third, I will take numerator is equals to 0. So what is in numerator? X plus 2 is in numerator. And 1 is in denominator. If nothing is there in denominator, that is 1. So tell me, x plus 2 is equals to 0. What will get? Minus 2. And this is saying denominator root never part of answer. So denominator no root we will get. So no need to see fourth part. Ibrahim. This will become minus 2. Now tell me any one number between minus 2 to infinity. Plus 1, 0, lot of numbers are there. Plus 1. Put it plus 1. Plus 1 plus 2. Positive or negative? Tell me any one number between minus infinity to minus 2. Minus infinity to minus 2. Minus 3. Now put here. Minus 3 plus 2. Positive or negative? Negative. This side you will put negative sign. Okay. Okay na? Now, minus 2 I have to check. Minus 2 is root of numerator. Yes or no? And when equals to sign is there, then numerator root will consider as a part of answer. And when equals to sign is not there, numerator root is not going to be a part of answer. So this point also you will have to remember. What is the point? Equals to sign, less than equals to and greater than equals to. If inequality with this sign, then numerator root close bracket we have to give. If equals to sign is not there, numerator root open bracket. So tell me, here equals to sign is there? No. So whether it will be open bracket or close bracket? Open bracket. Now tell me, what is there? Greater than 0. This is greater than 0. What does it mean greater than 0? Positive or negative? So where is positive? So what will be answer here? Minus 2 to infinity, open, is the answer here. Understood? Write it down. Come to page number 7, our module, and you will see one example is there. Question is solve. Okay. Solve question number 11. X minus 1 square into x plus 4 by 2 minus x. And that we have to solve less than 0. Write down this question. So start matching the all 4 things. Okay? First, done. There. What is first line? If this is inequation, yes or no? And if you want to solve inequation, these are 4 lines is going to help you. First, one side should be 0. Tell me, one side is 0 or not? Very good. Next, another side is combined. All should be combined and written at one place. It should not be separate. So tell me, all things are combined or separate? Combined. Combined means all will look 1. When it will look 1? When total division sign is there. Acha, tell me, those 3 format I gave you. So see your copy and tell me which format number this question is designed. Format 1, format 2 or format 3? First format. And what is first format? Numerator divided by denominator. That will, you will consider, yes, it is combined. If something is in numerator upon denominator, that is already combined. No need to combine. So here numerator upon denominator, that is already combined. Next, we'll find numerator is equals to 0, we'll find denominator equals to 0. Okay na? So this numerator is equals to 0, I will solve. Denominator equals to 0, I will solve. Okay. Now, maybe some of the student won't be knowing this concept. So I'm going to write this concept here. And if you don't know, always remember this. Whenever you are solving numerator is equals to 0 or denominator is equals to 0, because that is the thing you have to do here. So maybe in this numerator is equals to 0 or denominator is equals to 0. Okay na? You will get P into Q is equals to 0. 2 terms will be multiplying and that is equals to 0 you will get. So whenever you are getting P into Q is equals to 0, so you have to solve P is equals to 0 and Q is equals to 0. Whatever you will get, that will become value of X. Okay. Now what is meaning to say here? So let's say I am solving numerator is equals to 0. So in numerator you can see 2 things are getting multiplied. In denominator only 1 things are there. Okay? Okay or not? Numerator 2 things are there, denominator 1 thing is there. So this is what I said. While solving numerator is equals to 0, denominator equals to 0, possibilities are you will get 2 terms multiplying, that is forming 0. So whenever 2 terms are multiplying and that is making 0, you have to solve first part equals to 0, you have to solve second part equals to 0. Answer you will get from both. And both you will put on number line. Do you remember now here number line we are putting minus 3 and minus 2. After solving numerator equals to 0, denominator equals to 0, same thing. So here I will solve here. First solution I will write numerator is equals to 0. What is numerator? X minus 1 whole square into x plus 4 is equals to 0. So tell me, this is equals to 0, matching with this format or not? P into Q is equals to 0. So here we'll get first x minus 1 a square is equals to 0, and what we'll write? X plus 4 is equals to 0. Now x plus 4 is equals to 0. What will get x? Minus 4. And x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. What will get x? Plus 1. Now I will solve. This was solution for numerator is equals to 0. Now we will solve denominator is equals to 0. Once we will get numerator is equals to 0, denominator equals to 0, na, then you can directly solve the question. Now denominator, what you will get? Denominator is equals to 0. What is x? 2 minus x is equals to 0. What will be x? X 2. ठीक है? Huh? Someone is telling sir minus 2. So let me show you. 2 minus x is equals to 0. So this minus x you will take that side. What it will become? Plus x is equals to 2. Yes or no? Yes, na? Now, just draw a number line. All game is over now. Draw a number line. Put minus infinity. Put plus infinity. What are the roots? Minus 4, 1, 2. Write it increasing order. Which is the smallest? So first write minus 4. Which is next? 1. Next 2. Now this line is divided into 4 regions. Yes, Nitin, stand up. Tell me one number between 2 to infinity. 5. Put 5 here. Tell me you are getting positive or negative. 5 minus 1. 4 square. 16. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 4. 16 into 9, positive or negative? Positive. 144. Now, 2 minus 5. Positive or negative? Negative. So upper is positive, lower is negative. Positive by negative? Negative. So that side will put negative. Now why you are saying positive? Huh? Someone said positive na? Don't say directly. Do the calculation and then say. Okay. This is not movie na. Acha, this will happen after this scene. Anything according to your imagination. No. Here is reality. We are talking about reality. What will happen? Your imagination will not work. Next, tell me any one number between 1 to 2. Very good, 1.5. 1.5 minus 1. 0.5 is square positive, na? 1.5 plus 4. 5.5. Positive into positive. 2 minus 1.5. 0.5. Positive or negative? So tell me, positive by positive. This will get positive. Sit down. Tell me any number between minus 4 to 1. Minus 3. Any other number? Any other number? Minus 5. Minus 5 will be this side. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. So she is telling minus 3. Let's put minus 3 minus 1. Minus 4 square. Minus 3 plus 4. 16 positive, 1 positive. 16 into 1. Positive. 2 minus minus 3. Minus minus 3. Plus 3. Minus of minus 3. 2 plus 3. 5. This is 5. Positive by positive. What it will become? Positive. Na? Minus infinity to minus 5. Tell me one number except minus 5. Minus 6. Very good. Correct. Minus 6 minus 1. Minus 7 square. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 2. 49 positive, minus 2 negative. Positive into negative. So numerator is negative. Yes? Now 2 minus minus 6 plus 8. 2 minus minus 6. Minus minus 6 will be plus 6. Diksha, you are here, na? 2 plus 6. What it will become? 8. 8 is positive or negative? So numerator, denominator, negative by positive. This sign will come negative. Is equals to sign there? No. So numerator root, open bracket. And denominator root, always open bracket. It means all root, open bracket. All root, open bracket. Now, less than 0, what does it mean? Positive or negative? Less than 0, what does it mean? Positive or negative? Negative. Where is negative? Minus infinity to minus 4. 2 to infinity. So minus infinity to minus 4, open, open, union. Simple answer. Okay. Sit down, bache. So what is that line suggesting? That line is suggesting, let's say that degree of any term in inequality is fraction, numerator upon denominator. Previous question, how it was? Degree of this term, 2. Not in fraction, na? Degree of this term, 1. Not in fraction, na? Degree of this term, not in fraction, na? So here we were working on integer degree. Okay. How will solve the question if degree is not integer? So simple. Let's say if degree is not integer, so that number you will see, you have to see whatever is degree, you have to see the denominator part. If denominator number is odd, our number line for finding answer will be between minus infinity to infinity. Okay? Okay, na? Understood? Understood? And if in any inequality is like this, p something written, anything can be there, x plus 2, x minus 2, anything can be there, 1 by even. Then what you have to do, you have to solve p greater than 0, and when you solve this answer, whatever answer you will get, that answer will work like number line. Don't see this line as a question. Just simply try to understand how it is written in the board. How it will be applied in question, you don't have to think now, because I am there to tell you when I will write the question. Only you have to gain confidence. Acha, sir is trying to say, suppose some term is getting multiplied and their degree is not integer. Degree is not integer. Then this two line will work there. Okay? If degree is not integer, that degree you will see denominator. Don't see numerator. What is written? Denominator, see denominator is odd number or even number. If it is odd number, in final answer you are going to put number line between minus infinity to infinity. But if degree denominator is even, then first before solving question, you will solve p greater than 0 first. So you will get some answer from here. Suppose here answer you are getting 1 to infinity. So number line you will draw 1 to infinity, you will not draw minus infinity to infinity. Now I am going to introduce you question both 12 and 30. Okay? Okay na? Acha. And one more thing here, apart from this, this is somewhere our 7th or 8th class mathematics. Do you remember if this something a square root is written, and here I am writing 3 and here I am writing x plus 2, what does it mean in degree? X plus 2 raised to 1 by 3, first thing. How many of you don't know this? Then remember this. Whatever number is written here, we remove this square root part and degree will go 1 upon that number. So suppose I am writing here a square root, here I am writing 5 and here I am writing x minus 2 raised to 3. How will write this? X minus 2 raised to 3 by 5. 3 is already there. And 1 by 5 will come from here. That will become 3 by 5. Nitin, you are here na? Huh? Understood? Now let's write that question. You will not write question now. Solve, that is a square root x plus 4 raised to 4 raised to this 3, not 3, this 3 is there, into x minus 1 cube upon x minus 2. How many of you think, sir, this question is looking very abnormal and I cannot solve this? Raise your hand. No one. What is this? Okay, no problem. See here. First of all, I have to solve this inequation, yes or no? What is the first step? One side should be 0. So tell me, one side is 0 or not? Second step, another side also should look 1. So tell me, all is looking 1 or not? Very good. Third step, solve numerator is equals to 0, solve denominator is equals to 0. So when I will solve numerator is equals to 0 here, numerator is equals to 0 here. So in numerator, can you see two things are getting multiplied? 1, 2. Okay. So I will write root of both roots directly here. So tell me, this is equals to 0. What will be x? Minus 4. So I am writing direct x minus 4. Okay na? I am not going to expand my solution. This is equals to 0. What will be x? Very good. अच्छा 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 ऐसे करना है. This is how we have to do. Yes, this is how you have to do. Now denominator equals to 0. What you will get? Right, x is equals to 2. We got all the thing. Now see these 2 points. Now we'll see the degree. What is degree here?